This is the brand new Adidas Liverpool home kit for the 25-26 season. Now with this kit already being leaked online, it's getting rave reviews pretty much everywhere. And of course Liverpool have partnered back with Adidas for the first time since 2012 after a pretty grim Nike home kit for the 24-25 season. This on the other hand is a huge improvement and looks to take inspiration from the team's 2006 kit design, featured also in what's known as a strawberry red. So looking at the shirt, you can see that it has a rounded neck with a white stripe running around the back halfway through the neckline. We then have the classic Adidas stripe stitched into the shoulders. The kit has cuffed hem sleeves with again the white line running all the way around, along with ventilation under the arms. The same white line runs down the front of the kit as well. And we have the Adidas badge stitched into the right hand side of the chest in white, and the Liverpool crest stitched into the left hand side also in white. The kit also features the sponsor in white across the centre of the chest, and you can see the side panels feature more ventilation. This design is slightly different on the player version of the kit. The shirt also features a already sweat wick tech to keep you cool. And so looking at the back, this version features no name or number, but you can obviously get them printed on for whoever's your favourite. You can see the white line around the neck continues all the way around. And again the same for the bottom of the sleeves. You can also see the ventilation from the side of the kit run along the bottom to the other side. And so that is the brand new Adidas Liverpool home kit for the 25-26 season. Again, it's already received really positive reviews, a big step up from last season's home kit, and many fans are pleased to see the club pair with Adidas again. But this is a must buy for any Liverpool fan and one of the better kit designs for the club in a while.